Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna. Today is a very beautiful day. The sun is shining and I feel very happy. I hope you feel happy too. How is the weather in your city today? Is it sunny or is it rainy? Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your messages.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom. I am very glad to be here with you. Today, I feel wonderful. I feel very positive. The air is fresh and the birds are singing. It is a perfect day to talk about something fun. Today, we are talking about hobbies. Hobbies are the things we do for fun. I love my hobbies. They make me feel relaxed and very good.
Yes, Tom, hobbies are very important. We all need to have fun. Life is not only work. We need time to play and time to enjoy. Friends, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe, you can learn English with us every day. Also, please give this video a like. It helps us a lot. We want to help many people speak English.
That is true, Anna. Subscribing is a great idea. It is a very small step, but it is very helpful. Now, let us talk about pasatiempos. That is the word for hobbies. Anna, what do you like to do in your free time? Free time is the time when you are not working. Do you have many hobbies?
Oh yes, Tom. I have many hobbies. I love to be active, but I also love to be quiet. In my free time, I love to read books. Reading is my favorite hobby. I read stories about many things. I read in the morning and I read in the evening. It makes my brain feel very calm. What about you, Tom? What is your favorite hobby?
I love to read too, Anna, but I think my favorite hobby is different. I love to watch movies. I love stories too, but I like to see them on the television. I like funny movies. When I watch a funny movie, I laugh a lot. Laughing is good for the heart. I watch movies on Friday nights. It is my special time to relax.
That sounds very nice, Tom. Movies are great. I also like to watch movies sometimes, but usually I prefer to be outside. I love the park. One of my hobbies is walking. I walk in the park every day. I walk for 30 minutes. It is very simple, but it is very good for my body. I like to see the trees and the flowers.
Walking is a very good hobby, Anna. It is easy and it is free. You do not need money to walk in the park. I also like the park, but I do not walk. I ride my bicycle. Riding a bicycle is very fun. I go very fast and I feel the wind on my face. I do this on Saturdays. Saturday is my day for the bicycle.
You are very fast, Tom. I am slow. I like to walk slowly. I like to take photos of the flowers. That is another hobby. I use my phone to take photos. I have many photos of roses and sunflowers. They are so beautiful. Taking photos is a creative hobby. It is about art and beauty.
I love art too, Anna. I do not take photos, but I like to draw. I have a big notebook and many pencils. Sometimes I draw a house. Sometimes I draw a dog. I am not a professional artist, but I enjoy it. It is a very quiet hobby. I do this when it is raining outside. When it is rainy, I stay inside and I draw.
That is lovely, Tom. Drawing is a beautiful way to express your feelings. I am not good at drawing. My drawings look like little sticks. But I have another hobby in the kitchen. I love to cook. Cooking is my creative hobby. I like to make pasta and I like to make cakes. Chocolate cake is my favorite thing to make.
Oh, Anna, I love chocolate cake. Is cooking difficult? I only know how to make tea and toast. Toast is easy, but pasta sounds difficult. Do you cook every day or only sometimes? I want to know how often you do your hobbies.
I cook every day because I need to eat, but I do fun cooking on Sundays. Sunday is my day for new recipes. I use a cookbook. I follow the steps 1, 2, 3. It is very satisfying. And friends, what about you? Do you like to cook or do you like to eat? Please comment below. Tell us your favorite food to cook.
Yes, please tell us. I want to learn a new hobby. Maybe I can learn to cook too. Now, let us talk about music. Music is a very common hobby. Many people love music. Anna, do you play an instrument? I know you have a very nice voice.
Thank you, Tom. I love to sing. I sing in the shower. I sing when I am cleaning the house. Singing makes me feel happy. I do not play the guitar, but I want to learn. Playing the guitar is a very cool hobby. I think you play the guitar, Tom. Am I right?
Yes, Anna, you are right. I play the guitar. I practice every Tuesday and Thursday. Practice is very important for hobbies. If you practice, you get better. I play simple songs. I like to play songs for my friends. We sit together and we listen to the music. It is a very social hobby.
Social hobbies are great. It is good to do things with other people. Some people like to play sports. Sports are social hobbies. For example, football or basketball. My brother plays football every Wednesday. He goes to a big field with his friends. They run a lot and they have fun.
Football is very popular. I like to watch football on TV, but I do not play it. I am not very good at running. My hobby is more relaxed. I like to garden. Do you know the word garden? It is when you take care of plants and flowers in your yard. I have many plants. I give them water every morning.
Gardening is a very peaceful hobby, Tom. It is nice to see things grow. You start with a small seed and then you have a big plant. It is like magic. I have some plants on my balcony. I have mint and I have basil. I use them for my cooking, so my hobbies work together.
That is very smart, Anna, using your garden for your cooking. You are a very organized person. Friends, we are talking about hobbies. We use words like every day or on weekends. These words tell us the frequency. How often do you do your hobbies? Do you do them always? Do you do them never?
That is a good point, Tom. For example, I read books always. It is a daily habit. But I go to the cinema sometimes, maybe one time in a month. And I play sports never. I am not a sports person. What about you, friends? Use these words in the comments. Say, I always listen to Mr. Fluent English.
That is a great sentence, Anna. I hope everyone says that. I always listen to Tom and Anna. We are very happy to be your friends. Learning English can be a hobby too. If you enjoy it, it is not work. It is a fun activity for your brain.
Exactly, Tom. Learning is a wonderful hobby. You can learn a new language or you can learn how to fix a car. There are so many things to learn in the world. I feel very curious. Curiosity is the secret to a happy life. Don't you think so, Tom?
I agree 100%. Stay curious and stay active. Now we are reaching the end of our conversation. We talked about reading, movies, walking, bicycles, drawing, cooking, music, sports, and gardening. That is a lot of hobbies.
It is. We hope you enjoyed this talk. Remember to like this video if you had fun. Your likes help our channel grow. And please subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We have many more topics to share with you.
Thank you everyone for being here. You are amazing students. Your English is getting better every day. Keep practicing your hobbies and keep practicing your English. We are very proud of you.
Goodbye, friends. Have a beautiful day. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care and have fun.